Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your forgotten password for Doordash account. So let's dive into the video without further ado. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in doordash.com. Press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official website. Once you're inside the main homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. In the sign in or sign up pop-up, you will need to select one of the login methods and follow through the prompts to sign into your account. If you are using email and password to login, first of all make sure to type in your email address correct inside the email box. Now click on continue to sign in and then you can now choose whether you'd like to receive a 6-digit code via your phone number for verification or use password instead. If you don't want to use password, you can go ahead and enter the code that you received on your registered mobile number for Doordash and click on sign in. But if you want to use the password, click on use password instead. If you don't have a mobile phone available with you, you can go ahead and log in with your password. But if you are going through the password problem as well, if you don't remember your password for the account, simply click on reset password link. Now enter your email address associated with Doordash on the next page one more time and click on reset password. You will now receive a password reset email sent to your registered email inbox. Open a new tab and log into your email service provider's inbox where you'll receive Doordash password reset request. Click it open and then click on this link that is available inside your inbox, which will then take you to a new page where you can enter a new password. Type in the new password you would like to set for your account. Make sure to enter the password, which will be easier for you to remember next time logging in. And on the next field, re-enter your password one more time. Now, finally click on the reset password button in order to recover your password for Doordash.com. So that is how you should be able to reset your forgotten password for Doordash. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.